If you've ever wondered how to find Telegram channels quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to search for Telegram channels, review the results, and join the right public channel in just a few clicks. This is super useful whether you're looking for news, communities, updates, entertainment, or niche topics that match your interests. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram web in your browser and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, enter your phone number and complete the verification process so you can access your Telegram dashboard. Once you're inside Telegram web, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see the search bar there, and that is the main tool you'll use to find channels. Now click inside the search bar at the top and type the name or topic of the channel you want to find. You do not need to know the exact channel name every time. You can also search by a subject, keyword, or niche. For example, if you want tech updates, you can search for tech, gadgets, or software news. If you want finance content, try investing crypto or trading. Telegram will start showing results as you type, which makes it very easy to narrow things down. Next, browse through the search results carefully. You'll usually see a mix of chats, users, groups, and channels, so take your time and look for a public channel that matches what you're searching for. Public channels are easier to discover because they appear in search and can be joined directly. When you see a channel that looks relevant, click on it to open the channel preview. Before joining, review the channel information to make sure it's the one you want. Check the channel name, profile image, description, and any visible posts so you can confirm it matches your topic. This step is important because it helps you avoid joining the wrong channel or something that is not useful to you. If the content looks right and the channel seems trustworthy, then you're ready for the final step. Click Join to become a member of the channel. Once you join, you'll start receiving its updates and can view the latest posts whenever you want. That's really all there is to it. With just the search bar, a quick review, and the Join button, you can find Telegram channels in seconds. If this video made the process easier to understand, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.